what I was, I
Absolutely.
was
I
basically
have my,
my
yeah.
judgment. I was trying to back my judgment, but then it just went down really badly, and oh, geez, I've got to get out of this. And I didn't really get what was going wrong. So
When was
yeah, you
it?
can see it
Yeah, when was
using.
it? Did you take a trade on Friday evening, or was it?
No, Friday evening is actually a really interesting time to trade because it gets really, really busy around about 11:30. Um,
Yeah.
I'll because I did send these to you on the what do you call it, WhatsApp, but it's kind of hard to read on WhatsApp. Where are we now? Yeah, here we go. This is Aussie US dollar on
Yeah.
the 29th of March. And it was a sell at 65 0.65060,
Yeah.
and it went down to 65340. Or it went up to 65340. I'm just looking at this going, it'll be right. Oh no, it's not. Get out. But that was $428 worth of
This
wrong.
was the news. That was a panic selling happening on that day. Panic selling was happening on, this was on Friday. Today, quite interesting momentum, because usually it doesn't move that fast. Currencies are moving really crazy because of the Iran, because of the fundamental. If I will probably share in the group, it's Iran attacked, Iraq. I think, yeah, they attacked, and that is a fundamental. Like whenever there is some kind of war going on in the world, terrorist attack is happening, disaster is happening, market will go crazy, because there is,
Everything gold too. Everyone buys gold.
yeah. Oh my God, like
Yeah.
that's what happening now. Now gold, do you want to trade gold right now? If you want to trade gold right now, look, market started to buy from this morning. It's just
Yeah.
went all the way down. This was just for, like couple of, this was, I think, it was already, no, Friday. Friday morning, because hour was, I think, like Saturday morning. Yeah, it closed. Before it closes, it went all the way down. I was actually awake. I fell asleep. I wake up at 2 a.m. in the morning, like of almost 2 a.m. And then when I checked, the market was like, I I bought from here. I closed everything and I slept, because that was my daily target was already done.
Right.
And this was crazy, like from 2400 to 2431 went in a second. Oh my God, like this is like, this is, oh my, but it didn't go in a second, but it was like boom, 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 like see from here,
Yeah.
my God, oh my God, that was uh, like crazy moment, especially from here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Especially from here, my God, like I bought it, and I was okay, maybe now I will
What
wait.
time was that?
It was actually exactly 11 Friday night,
11:15. Yeah.
11, 11:15, 11:15.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you can see it was 12 o'clock, still mucking around, like trying
Yeah.
to pull down, but no, market, okay, I want to buy it.
And
Once,
everyone's taking profit.
yeah,
Boom, 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 boom. Yeah.
once it's hit that 31, 34, like 20, 24, 31, it didn't stop to come down. It melted down. And I was here, I wake up like this time, I wake up like this time. When I saw the market was boom, 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 it's like a melting down. And
Yeah.
I made some money here. I went in the market, and when I was here kind of 47, okay, now I need to get out of the market, because it was making some kind of buy momentum. And here same thing, but it came all the way down to 33, and now buying. Now this buy was this morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. In a few minutes, in 5 minutes, I think this whole candle was made in a 5 minutes. This whole
Yeah.
candle was made in a 5 minutes. I mean, you can see it's 298 pips. Means if you
Yeah.
had a lot size, say one lot size, means you made $2,080. $2,080. The one lot. This is how gold moves. So yeah, so look, I am trading this commodity. It's called commodity. It's not the currency pair, it's commodity. And if I want to know where the market is heading right now, still market wants, probably in 5-minute chart, it's going downward. It's
Yeah.
going downward, 5-minute chart. Even trend line, you can see this trend line. Every time it hits here, it's going downward. It hits here, going downwards. It's hit here, going downwards again. So yeah, now again going downward. So market is not making a certain moment, like say momentum. So this time it's not safe to enter. So only the reason we enter the market, look, I do it actually, I bought from here. Where was it? I think not from here. Yeah, from here. So it came, it came down, and I was in the market from 56 till 65. Yeah. I quickly bought it, and I was walking that time. I was taking a walk that time, and
Yeah.
boom, and closed the market. And when I saw this little big fat green candle, this is how we see, like it went all the way up. Whenever you see this kind of candlestick, like kind of, I would show you. This is another type of analysis that I take it, with my naked eyes. I don't need any kind of, all I see is the candlestick, shape of size of candlestick. So this candlestick means, okay, now there are some whale in the market. They want to sell the market, okay? So there's some whale and they want to sell, and it couldn't pass through. Remember that this couldn't pass through means whenever it couldn't pass through means the pressure is towards downward. And I try to put the trend line like this and look at that. And now you can see market will definitely sell for a little while before it will go up.
Yeah.
Now, yeah, see, I mean, if you want to sell right now, always make sure that you find this momentum, this sell from right here, sell from here, not from the bottom. No,
Yeah.
because this sometimes I still do that minor idiot mistake that Ira. So you don't want to sell from, because you saw this big move down there. This is just a retracement. It may be a retracement, but it looks like a retracement because it couldn't pass through this line again. Remember?
Yes.
When
When you see that trend line, now does that trend line, I'm looking at that going, okay, so you're getting, that indicates that we're going to get lower highs and lower highs and lower highs.
Lower lows, lower lows, yeah. It's kind of, it's the short term,
Lows, but also lower highs. So the closing, well, yeah, all right, lower highs and lower lows, yeah.
Low lows, low highs and low lows, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll remove this.
I did make a trade, if I can. I'm sorry to interrupt. I did make a trade on gold.
Oh, did you? Okay.
The 12th at 4:15 in the morning. And yeah, because I set my alarm and get up.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Not the past few days. So,
good. No, look, you can make a lot of money in this commodity. It moves really fast, but only when you make a right decision. But it will take
the problem I had was that I went immediately into a loss because the price was something like, it was 2 something, a high 2s. I didn't write it down, and which annoys me because normally I do. But as soon as I pressed, open trade or commence a trade, I forget exactly what the button says, I was immediately into loss because the price it gave me, and it was not a rising market, but the price it gave me was so much higher than the marketplace. I went straight into a loss. And I went, what the hell? And it was still climbing, but I couldn't, but then it sort of went down again. I just thought, I got to get out of this. So I lost $3.30 on, 0.01. But the market price was so much, when I pressed trade, it was just so much higher than the actual market price. What the hell, how are you supposed to know what to do when that happens? So I did find that I was getting very confused and, rather disheartened about the whole thing. But that's what I was saying when I started to, read in this, when I started to read in this section, drawing your trend lines and trading, where are we? Yeah, trading, that's time frames and top-down analysis and so forth. But the part where you start going past the candlesticks and you're looking at the trend lines and so forth, and you what do you call it? The ranges, top of the range and bottom of the range.
Yeah.
It just started to make a whole lot of sense. It really, I looked at it, and of course the drawings in the book are always a lot neater and cleaner than.
That's true. Yeah. That's true. Yeah.
But you got to expect that. But it just started making a whole lot of sense. So I'm very keen to get back into it again. Just at the moment, I'm so fuzzy, still running a bit of a fever. So yeah,
Yeah,
not
yeah,
well,
COVID again. My God, I know the COVID is still around, and
third time. Thank you.
this crazy virus is not going away, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sad. Yeah, so look, what I will tell you is, it's all about like practicing in the live market like this.
Yeah.
Eventually, you'll get to learn. You know, you'll definitely get to learn, because it's not that hard to make money from the market if you are like, you know, entering the right timing. Look, for me, like if you were waiting, suppose you sold it. So now look, the structure is completely for sale, but it has to break through this yellow line to continue to sell.
Yes.
But it might be kind of trap for people to sell. But once people will sell, market will immediately go to buy. That's what gold will do all the time. So
Yeah.
for me is what I always look in the market is making a kind of decent movement. Now the market is stuck in this area for now. This area, like I don't know, we don't know what market will do. It may continue to sell if it breaks through. If it continue to buy, if it breaks through. So means
You say that was choppy. It doesn't really look like it's got a good range, does it? I mean, you can't really see any clear
no,
resistance.
yeah, there is no decision. Yeah, that's, you can see, like try to sell from here. This market was like, oh, all of a sudden. But whenever this happens, like whenever you see the week like this,
Yes.
for example, week like this, number one this week, and number two this week, so means that look, market is still trying to push down. But if it doesn't go back cross this line, especially this current market, even you can go to the 3-minute chart, 2-minute chart. I don't mind. That's okay. 2-minute chart. Then it will give us a solid definition, like, okay, market will do this, you know, market will definitely do this. So for now, structural wise, it looks like it's going to sell, but we don't know how long it will sell. But eventually gold will buy, that's also for sure. So before it make a huge buying momentum, which will be like, you will not be even able to, 30 seconds it will go right here. In 30 seconds it will go right here. The gold has a different kind of momentum in the market. Like it has a crazy momentum. Kind of people who has just beginner, I never ask them to trade gold. The reason behind that is, once you start to trade your real money, there will be a lot of losses. Gold will take you a lot of money if you don't know how, if you don't know when to get off, or even the stop loss. Sometimes we put too close. If you place your stop loss very, very close, potentially what will happen is that stop loss will be touched by gold, no matter where you put it, because that's how it moves. It moves like so crazy. It spikes so fast. That's why, like, I think, look, for me is, it's good to trade gold in a demo account, practice it, learn the momentum, how it moves. Most of the people who trade gold, they don't even put stop loss. Seriously, they don't put stop loss. That's why many of, if it's in a wrong direction, it will blow the account. It will
Yes.
blow the account. So, but if you are trading a gold, I always tell, making sure that we put some stop loss at least below the structure. Suppose you're buying from here, look, you put your stop loss here, let the market run. But if you are in profit, just get out of the market. If you are in profit, just out of the market. But if you are selling from here, at least your stop loss should be here. Sometime
Yeah.
even it will go there. It will go, even try to come here and come down. For this, for example, see if someone has sold from here, it's
Yes.
safe. I will show you. For example, if you have sold, if you saw the good momentum here, you sold the market, and if your stop loss was like, you know, this is a safe time to sell. But when you're selling from here, say you're selling from here, your stop loss is right here, right? So market went all the way up again. See, so stop loss, it stopped out you, and it went down all the way down, all the way, like at least see, you can see.
But if you were going to, like, where you're talking about, and I'm sorry you can't see my pointer, but where there, right where you are now, there's you know, you certainly wouldn't sell from there because you've got a reverse doji and a big bull. So I know you're just giving an example, but I was just sort of looking at that going, well, no, you're nuts if you sell from there. But yeah, I get what you're saying. You know, and there was something I looked at with gold is it does move so fast that you'd have to give yourself a big gap on the stop loss.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then just
yeah,
keep an eye on it and just bump that stop loss closer and closer.
yeah.
And that I've done a few times. I mean, gold, I got in once and the price was so much above market. I just went, we'll just, you know, take that loss and I'll learn more
Yeah.
before I get into gold. But what I have done on other things, and particularly the last two, and like I say, I'm only doing 0.01 trades.
Yeah, exactly.
Because I find that there's a lot less pressure, you know.
Exactly.
But
So
also,
that's what you're going to do when you start in a live account. You are
yeah,
not going to put like a one lot size. That's kind
no,
of risking more
yeah,
to, if it's wrong, if decision is wrong, market will
that's
take all the money, you know?
what I'm doing is bringing the stop loss closer and closer.
Yeah.
Eventually, if you know, if I'm in profit, I just keep bringing the stop loss further and further into
Good.
profit. And
Yeah.
a couple of times I've just gone, well, you know, I have to go to bed. So I've just left the stop loss and I've got to go do something, got away. And sure enough, it's both times it's hit the stop loss, but I was well into profit at that stage.
Mm.
So, you know, it just, yeah, as you read the market, you can adjust yourself that way.
True. Very true. Very true. Very true. Okay. So yeah, in a gold move in a crazy way, yep, it's easy to make people who made some, you know, money, who bought some here, who bought some here, who bought some here, they really made a good amount of money. I mean, you can say it's $1 trillion, you know, they made trillions of dollars from just one single market.
Yeah.
So for now, look, anticipation for gold is it will reach the highest high. It might go to 25. Even within today, you can see probably to bypass this highest high. This is
Yeah.
high, bypass. It may bypass. But if it doesn't happen today, probably end of this week, market will do something like this. Market is doing this one, come down, and even it will come down here because this is what always market will do, boom, and then go, you know. The eventually market will buy.
Yeah.
So, but selling point is when you, oh my, okay. Selling point, for example, here is a sell. You can see when market is doing this as well, we have to be very, very careful. Look, because market is buying for so long, right? You can see market is buying for so long, but market is not only buying, it's selling as well at the same time, selling at the same time, selling and same selling. Now what we do is just wait for the market to make that big push. So before it make that big push, it's better to stay in the market. For example,
You've
start,
got a
yeah,
harami there,
yeah,
sort of, well, the
beforehand.
buy is trying, but now we're into the buy, and then it's sort of, yeah, so back
Yeah,
down again.
exactly. That's what I'm talking about. Like if you want to buy from here, look, market will threat you, scare you so much. It may go and touch your stop loss as well. So for gold people, like lower low from here. So that's why it's very, very risky, high risky, you know. So for now, look, we are not taking any action this time. I would say this morning I was able to catch some peeps, which was good. And eventually, look, people, when they buy from here continuously, they lost some money as well because market is coming downward from here. So that's why here, this is something I always want to share, like trend line. This is a small short-term trend. You can say market short-term trend. Having said that, because market not only short-term, like you can see, this was the time it started to fall down. It went
Yes.
all the way up. This morning pushed up. Whenever market will do this move, sometime it is like significant moment is coming in the market. Why is that? Because still there is a buying pressure. So, but before it buys, then what market will do is it will go downward, like it will create something like this. It will spike. It will try to touch the stop loss, because many people will probably put the stop loss here, some people here, some people here, some people here, and it will touch that. It will touch that. So only the reason why I want you to like follow the momentum is, like, whenever there is a significant momentum, you can see there is a higher highs and higher lows. And here we are in the ranging market, like there is not significant moment. Nothing has happened here right now. So we are here still in the same range. You wanted to sell, but market still wants to buy. You can see it didn't let pass through this line. It didn't let pass through this line, isn't it? See this line?
Yeah.
This
Now,
line.
can we see that line further back? Is there anywhere to the left where that line exists, so we can find an existing support line that mirrors that?
Yeah.
Not really.
Yeah. Yes.
That yellow line you've just put in, if we go to the left, is there an existing?
Oh, you mean
Not
the
really.
okay, left side? Yeah, you can see this could be the line. You can still take this as a resistance support here.
Oh,
This is
yeah.
a support here. You can see, yeah. This is support here.
That's kind of almost too long ago, isn't it? To really make a
Yeah, so you
what is it?
can
That's
see
the
this was a
12th.
yeah. So there was a very huge.
Oh, that was only yesterday, day before. What's today, the 15th? It was only 3 days ago.
Yeah,
Okay.
Friday. This was all happened on Friday. This was all happened on Friday. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now look,
Okay.
market is coming to buy. If it
Yes.
crossed this line, yeah, market looked like it's going to buy. It just made some drop down to trap people. It will sell, but it doesn't pass. It doesn't pass through here. But anyways, it is not making any significant movement. So I would like to take a moment and when to buy and when to sell. Before you push that button, which is buy or sell from your phone, because that is your hard-earned money. Like eventually you will be going to trade in your real money. Even you start from 200, 500, 1,000, whatever. Always have a look before you start. My screen you can see my screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. I'm refreshing this one so that if there is any news, so always look at the news. If there is something, look, today is Monday. We have 10:30. There is a CRS, which is like a core retail sales. It means that Arcade market will make a significant move here. Significant move. So it's a 10:30 p.m. tonight. There is a event. News. The US. Whenever there is some kind of news in USD currency, you will be able to see all the USD currency pair moving significantly. For example, AUD USD. Oh, it's buying very nicely. It's like this momentum I never seen in gold. In AUD USD. No. Look at that. It's moving. Means this time people are going crazy to buy. Most of the things will buy. See, even here probably buy. You can see buy, right? So it's fundamental. It's because of the fundamental. It's even technical wise. Look, you can see it. It may be. Yeah, it was selling. See, it was selling trend line, ding, selling, and here now it started to buy. 4 hours. It is going to buy. So if someone wants to take an advantage of that, go to the small time frame. And if it breaks, I think it already has broke the line, which is recent structure has been, this one has been broken. You can see. And it has to make a retrace, which is here like this. It is going here. Are you able to see my screen? Okay.
So it's going to retrace.
So it is called break and retrace. This strategy is called, look, if you might need to check in even 2 minutes, 3 minutes candle. So it has crossed this recent higher high, and now it's making a new high. And this time, look, if you want to enter the market, it's your choice. But I would rather wait market to come down again and enter to buy. For example, from here. So this time, look, if you buy, look from here, let the market come again in the same area. It may not come most of the time because it already has started to make that momentum. Oh my God, look at that. So this is what
Well,
I'm talking. When there is a momentum, you will be able to make good money. But when there is something like crazy, yeah.
yeah, just a quick thing then. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's, oh, Jesus, it's
Yeah.
leaping. How do I know then? Let's say I want to get into gold. Now, do I have to wait for a higher volume of sale? Because like I said, I had one shot at gold, it was going up, but the market, the buy price I got was so much higher than the market price that it put me immediately into loss. How do I know that's not going to happen again? How do I know that I'm going to buy gold and I'm actually going to buy it at the market price here rather than they're going to give me this price and I'm in loss, which is what
Okay.
happened last time.
Okay. So to buy gold, look, there is, okay, current market price is 55.87, right? Now market is going upward. You can see market is definitely going. No, it will buy. It will definitely buy. There is no doubt about it. It will definitely buy. If you want to get, because you have a, okay, let's see. Let's see, I will also trade now. Okay. I'm trying to buy gold right now. But
Yeah.
I would want to wait the market to make another red candle. Like once it make a red candle, stop there, follow, finish the red candle. And then I will enter because you want to buy and you think it will buy. And for me is I want to wait market to break this yellow line and come down again and then buy. Means that I can catch more pips. Waiting for a little bit. Okay, I'm also it's not okay. I already have traded this morning. So it's 57. Okay, let me try. Okay, look, I want to teach you, look, probably if I can do, okay. So it's going to buy. I can see because the pressure is through. Okay, I'm in a market now. I'm in a market. I'm already in a market. But what will happen if you enter this time, market may come down significantly to make a correction. So this is what happens always in a gold. Probably you enter from here, but market will come boom and you'll be lost. But if you wait, it may go here. But for now, market is making kind of, there is no any kind of confirmed decision,
No, it's choppy at the moment.
it is choppy.
Yeah.
Like if you enter the market, you'll come down and you'll be in big loss. So there is no, if you are in loss means you entered at the wrong timing. That's it. But if you had entered from here, for example, if you had bought from here, you still be in profit. Even market come down middle of like 0.5%, 50%, you will still be in profit. So that's why you want to buy from low. You want to sell from high. That's it. I will teach you right now. Probably I will share my screen. I'll come from my phone and I'll teach you. Look, there will be some losses. Okay, just give me a moment. Yeah. Oh my God, look at that. I'll teach you like how to really, really trade, I mean, gold is kind of crazy. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, my goodness, look at that. It will run. It will run. No audio. Stay course. Okay, I will share my screen. Look, but before it, sometime what will happen is then I will tell you. Okay, recording is focused. I'm going to share my screen as well. My screen. Start broadcast. Okay, look at that. Can you see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to share my screen now. See, I'm going to share my screen. So I already placed an order. Can you see? So I already placed an order. Yeah, so I'm going to, no, I will check my, obviously I will check what is happening. The market will come down again. If it broke that 60 zone, so here I will show you, if you can see my screen, okay. I will let market to come even down to 56. It may come down to 56. I have no TP, no stop loss. I will place another order. Okay, I'm going to go in now again. Where is it? Okay. I may be in loss because, okay, 60 already crossed 60. Oh my God, it may, okay. So see, this is what happens. You can see my screen. I'm going to place probably 65 is my TP. and then 55, say 57 is my stop loss. Okay, it may come down and touch my stop loss as well. So can you see how quickly, look, you will never be in loss if you are entering the right time. Oh my God, I want to trade. I want to trade in like, suppose if you saw this market, okay, now I was in a less risk, I want to risk more. Why? Because you think market is going to go higher. This is one lot size. But I want to have another confirmation. Okay, I'm going to enter one more. Boom. See, I'm already in a loss because that was my higher lot size. Have a lot size. Okay, 65. Okay, so this will be in loss. The reason being that is market came down. Immediately when I enter the market, I came, see, my entry was 160 and a market is now in 59.46, which will happen. I may lose, which is totally fine. Look, I want to show you. This is how market moves. So that's why entering. So this was a right timing entering. That's why I was able to make that money. 46 still. If you are watching the market right now, what I want you to do is, I want you to always take a note that you want to enter the market from lower low. Like say, if you're buying, go from low. If you're selling, go from high. Is it making sense?
It is, and I think there's what I realized a couple of times. Michelle and I went to the theatre on Wednesday night, and I'd been watching the market, and when we came home, I think it was around about a quarter to 11 by the time we got home.
Yeah.
I had a look, and I think New York came in at 11 o'clock or so. I can't remember. And there was I looked at it, oh, fantastic, and I jumped in, and it just turned around and went against me. So it was a really foolish trade, because I was still thinking about what I'd done 4 or 5 hours ago. And then I went, yeah, jumped in and went, oh no, God, Jesus. I got it wrong badly.
Yeah.
But yeah, I get what you're saying. You can't, you've got to come in and just look at it first. And at the moment, it takes quite a while, but I will start to read that more quickly. But
Yeah.
especially,
So I try to sell as well because,
Sorry?
No, because I definitely think this is going to sell. See, I put sell as well. See, you can still sell at the same time. I sold gold.
Oh, no, yeah.
Yeah, I sold. And look, if you think that market is enough now, okay, you can buy and sell at the same, but that's called gambling. It's definitely a gambling. I'm gambling in the market. But when it is selling, you will know the market, you will make some kind of, you can see this kind of, there is a kind of rejection on the top. So I'm going to close this one. See, I'm going to close this one. Sorry, at least $18 done. Oops, sorry. Sometime, oh, it's okay. I should have closed that before. See, because market will buy. I should have closed. Look, yeah, anyways, it's coming back. So I will close this one. So yeah, I'll just close this one. That's done. Now look, market will go upward. So if you are happy, 64 pips, you close it. Don't wait for the TP to hit. See, still you'll make money, and you're happy with that, make some money. Now this one, look, we have to wait. We have to wait. At least look, say $83 in, like, so this one we have to wait. It may hit our stop loss, which is totally fine, but I think it will buy. That's why I'm going with my intuition. So let's see. It will buy. It will buy. Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go. Look, this is how I trade. This is how I trade, because first, you have to analyze the chart and wait for the right moment to just enter the market. But it will not happen. It's still, we make a wrong decision. That's why we're here. That's why we're a human being. That's why we're not a robot. Even robot makes mistake. So for now, look, if it bypass this 2360, it is going to buy huge. It is going to buy huge. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Because this is how we will trade. Don't worry, we will trade together. Once you are in a live chart, live market, live money, especially, I don't want you to lose your money, hard-earned money. So I have, this is stop loss. I have a, this is TP. You can see this is how it's a one lot size. That's why now we are in a huge profit. See, if I had not closed these two trade, you still made money, more money, more money. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, we wait, just we wait. So if this, in this case, what I will do is, look, my my entry was 60, 64. I will move my stop, stop loss to even 61 now. Even I lose this trade, I'm not going to lose anything. I'm not going to lose anything. Hey, that's how you make money.
Well, actually, at 23.62 now, so you could, yeah, you just keep bumping it up, see how you go. But anyway,
Yes, 200, 300, you can make 510. I mean, oh my God. Yeah, it will go, it will go. So, but if you're happy, look, you think like market is still making some kind of, low, okay, I don't want to wait. So it will hit TP very soon. $300 right now.
mm-hmm.
It will come down before it goes up. Okay, it might
Where do
hit
you
our
set
stop
your
loss.
TP? Was that sort of arbitrary, or did you set it against a previous resistance?
Oh, I just close to our previous resistance. Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah. Yeah, so we were actually almost 280. I think we came back to 180 now, which is market will do fluctuation. This is, you can see, this is how market will
Yes.
do.
Yes.
Yeah. But anyways, are you enjoying or not?
Oh, it's it's fascinating. I love it, and I'm really surprised that when I heard about Iran sending those drones over Israel, I didn't even think about gold. And I thought, when you said, I went, oh, why didn't I think about that? Because it's yeah, that is any time war breaks out, or a United States president changes, or or the Australian, we have an election, or something changes, there's always uncertainty and the price drops,
Yeah.
and it stabilize back up, she comes again. But gold, everyone goes to gold in times of trouble.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Vaiga. I'm watching my chart. Look, market is frozen for a little while. Now it's about to hit a 64. Our TP will hit right now. I think it's my, I don't know why it's frozen. Oh my God, 65, almost there.
It's like, oh,
Oh,
okay. Geez, it stopped for a moment. Okay.
yeah, it stopped because of this. You can see, my goodness. Oh,
Oh,
oh my God. Okay, can I quickly, probably 400 right now in front of you. See?
yeah, I'm gonna see. Yep.
You can see this is how, but you know what? But I was telling, even though it is kind of drop, okay, maybe I'm okay with that for now. I will stop this one because market will do a kind of dip down. It will go down again, and you can take another second entry. This is because it just, we reached our resistance level. Can you see? We just reached our small, very tiny 3 minutes resistance level, but
I've
market,
just got balance and equity at the moment.
yeah, just like 65, it just hit 65.00, and because of the split, we couldn't. So we made $313 right now. Immediately, even that one was a low risk trade, which was a 0.30. Now market is coming down, and you can take another entry once it start to make a move. But you have to wait. Whenever market is making that resist, I mean, it is going to reach that level, which is, it just, wherever it came down from, it will wait again. It will do some kind of reaction. But if we had
That
left
was
this
about
trade,
230, 240 points, wasn't it?
yes, yes.
Yeah. All right.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that I wanted to show you something. I will stop now. Let's go to our chart now. Okay. Yeah, let's go, guys. Okay, so you can see my screen, right? So exactly from same place it came down. It just came down. So that's why I closed my trade. And what I'll do is I will take another trade. I'll find another opportunity probably. Market will do come down even here. Let's see if we are in a ranging market. But even we are in a ranging market, you can literally sell from here. If you have sold from here, you will make money. If you have sold from here, you'll make money. You will buy from here, you'll make money. So that's why taking a right decision at the right time is the most key thing here.
Yeah.
Okay. So any questions so far, Dan?
No,
Any questions?
It's all good. It's all clear.
That's
I think we were speaking. I asked about the where do you set your take profit, which you told me.
yeah.
Gold, you have a very very general, well, not generous, a very deep stop loss. So you got a lot of room for movement. And I guess, yeah, you really have to follow your stop loss, let your stop loss follow the market
Yeah. Yeah.
in profit. Yeah, but not if it's going the wrong way.
Yeah. So look, if it's going wrong way, close the trade and re-enter it. Look, that's what I decide, and I also look, when you're trading gold, you still lose some money. That's totally fine, because you lose less, but you make more. That's what is the main prime focus here. You lose less. Of course, there will be some losses. There's no doubt that there will not be losses. There will be losses, but you make more than losing here. This is only, I am going to trade only a couple of trades, like from now, because I used to have a lot of currencies here. I stopped that. Now in USD JPY is one of my another favorite currency. It is also buying. You can see it's buying from here. So today it was 15,745 AM. From here, it bought it. So usually it doesn't move that way. No way. 69 pips already. Yes, then.
There was something happened. Now, what was it? A few days ago now, everything took a big leap down. The pound, US pound, Aussie US, US euro, Aussie Japan, but American Aussie, Japan America went up about the same amount as everything else had gone down. I found that was really quite a surprise. I don't know if there's a reason for that or an answer to that, but it was quite surprising. Everything else took a big jump down, except I'm pretty sure it was the US Japan went up by about the same amount. So
Absolutely.
quite strange.
Yeah. So any other currency
Maybe
you
it's a
would like to
result
have a
of people
look?
getting out of it. Sorry?
Any other currency pair you want to have a look? I mean, I can take a look at any other currencies that you're.
Well, let's have a look at pound US dollar, because that's one I look at a lot. Don't ask me why. Maybe because Britain comes in around about 10, 11,
Look at
about
that.
10.
Ooh, still buying.
Mm.
Today's, yes, started 7 o'clock. I think, yeah, market opened at exactly, that was, 6, yesterday, Saturday morning, 6 o'clock. And now today is 7 o'clock started the market. And yeah, so before it starts, it made some kind of leap downward a little bit, but you can see already it has set a kind of support zone here, then it started to buy. And now market will not only buy, in this case, what I will always suggest my students to, everyone, like, so wait for market to come down a little bit and start again. Like, you can buy again. Probably market will come, make a retracement up to here, and it will go up here. So we cannot buy from here right now because market has already moved all the way up. How
Yes.
many pips? How many hours? Probably 4-5 hours already. And look, 55 pips. It's a big move for, Aussie pound. It's a big move for Aussie pound. It usually doesn't move that much. This
So
is the
you're actually in Aussie Japan there.
Yeah, Aussie Japan. This is Aussie Japan. Yeah,
Yeah.
Aussie Japan. Yeah, even New Zealand. Like, say, okay, New Zealand. There is not much move here. It may move usually when there is a news. Yeah, it doesn't move. So tonight it will move a lot. New Zealand and then Aussie, US dollar. It may move. We are again in this zone. You can see market couldn't break through, and it's making a range here, a kind of ranging market. If it breaks through, look, this is what we will have to take a look in the closest time, very, very close. Broke through downwards. It did break through. It did actually break through. You can see the resistance is already broken and it went to the retrace. Now it may sell because market is selling for a little while. It may sell. The reason being that is it has broken this small, even 15 minutes support. You can see that, right? So that's why, look, and you can see, but if market will do two kinds of moves. So one is like, you can see 1 and 2, and it didn't go up there. There must be some kind of follow through. But we have to look the market from different perspective, right? From 360-degree angle. Market was really selling for a little while from Friday. This is a Friday, 5 a.m. Did a kind of consolidation here, couldn't break, went all the way up. It's same place where you started, and this is today. Market was there today as well. It bought 9:15. It bought and all the way came down. Now market again. So just we have to this is kind of confusing whether market will buy or sell. Seriously, we don't know. So
Getting a little Harami pattern there, which indicates we're going into a sell, but you want to wait for the next one, wouldn't you?
yay, that's what I mean. Look, we want to make sure we have to wait. Look, if you could have sold from here, still a small peep. I don't mind it. That's okay, because people can in and out in 30 seconds. People can still make money. Remember, just before in gold, we made some money without any hesitation. I think, yeah, now market is coming downward. See, that's the reason why I was out of the market. If you can see, we went all the way through 64.90, 64, almost 64, and we're coming downward. So this downward movement is, look, if it's following through down, we wait, because you cannot buy or sell same currency at the same time, because that's a gambling. All we want to do is we want to
Where's
find
the
the right moment.
64.90?
Yeah. So
Where's the 60.90? Where is that?
No.
I can see 59.
Oh, no, this one is, I was sharing this one to you. Sorry, I was telling this
Oh,
one.
okay.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. I'm in a 50-minute charts. Remember, we already bought a little bit, and this is 64. You can say 64.90. If you check it, it was 64.90, almost reached there, 84. That's the yellow line. It went all the way up, and from there coming downward. If you can see that. So if you want to find another opportunity to buy, we need to buy from here again. If it doesn't break through downwards, you have to buy from here. This is like, we don't want to buy now.
Go back to support.
It has to come down.
Go back to support, buy from support.
Yeah. So always sell from here. You could have sold a little while in and out, 30 pips done. I think, I don't know how many pips it moved, but it definitely moved some from, okay. Yeah, not only 53 pips, come on. 53 pips in like just within a few minutes. Yeah, so this is what it is. Now you can see another line is coming, another, like, say, another green candle is coming. So that is kind of, it's called, market will always do. Whenever market is moving in a direction, which direction it is moving, always do like this. Always do like this. But sometime, in this gold case, I would say it is kind of crazy. It is definitely crazy.
How much time? What's your time on those ones? I can't see how long is left on that new candle.
Oh, okay. Time? Oh, it's like, I don't have the time. I have deleted.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
right. I'd see on the side of mine, it's always tells you how long.
So time, I have changed the setting for that. Yeah, I don't want that to show, but I think that's time.
Oh, you don't want to show that?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, this is something like, let me quickly show you. Let me quickly show you here. The volume is there, scale and line. Okay, the time. Okay, time, where is the time? Time lived. 24 hours. Line, value. Okay, name and value. Okay. Hidden. Okay, ask and bid hidden. No, that's okay. Hidden. Okay, price and percentage. Okay, value according to the scale, name and value. Okay. Okay, I changed it. Hopefully you will be able to see.
Yeah, I notice you have percentage.
Yeah, we have to set. Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah, because that candle's still buying.
Yeah. It's now, look, if you could have bought from here. That's what I was talking about. But always buy from here. It may go, even it moved a kind of some peep here. 23 pips, 29 pips. Let's see, it's going upward now. But this is kind of risky market right now, but it's smooth. It's not that crazy, but market at nighttime, which is after the news, which is US news, which is something like this, I would say. During this time, if you are in the market, oh my God, the spread is really high. because more volume is there. According to the broker, it's again depending upon the broker. I think it's a spread during the news. Broker will kind of mess up with you as well. They want to make money during that news as well. They will, move they will, even market hasn't moved here. They will, you will be stopped out. I have experienced that. I think I traded one of these gold. When was it? I can't remember. It was probably 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Yes, 2 weeks ago. There was a news. Sold off. It sold off. I think I will quickly show you that more. Where was it? It sold off so nicely. There was a big spike somewhere. I'll quickly show you what happened. That's experience I would like to show and share with you. Can you see my screen nice and clear?
Yes.
Okay. It was no, not close to 23. It was a news. It was definitely on Friday, Thursday and Friday. No, this is Tuesday. Okay, I don't know. There was a big spike, very, very big spike. And after that, when I traded, my God, market hasn't moved that much, but kind of, I'm always in negative, I'm in the negative. Then what I did was, because some news, some Fridays, especially Fridays, are really crazy time to trade.
Yeah.
So yeah, this was on Friday. You can see, if someone was trying to sell from here, 24, 28, of course, it is high, the top of the mountain. It's already in the top of the mountain. It has to come down to go up again. Same thing. The
Yes.
concept is, if we are in top of the mountain, we let the market to come down and let's buy again. This was, I think this one, no, Wednesday. Oh yes, 10th of April. No, this was not 10th of April thing. I just, that experience, I trade every session, like New York session, London session, most of the session. Whenever I see the momentum in the market, I do trade. But immediately after the news, it's kind of, yes, Tim.
I was going to ask, last time, last lesson, you showed me those time frames where New York comes in, where London comes in, where New York comes in, where Tokyo comes in.
Yeah, it's session. It's
Is
session,
that
yeah.
on the
Session on the chart? When you see that,
show me where it is.
Okay, can you see the session on the
Show me where I find that with your cursor.
Oh, okay. This is you have to go to the indicator and
Move
click.
your cursor around so I can follow it.
Oh, okay. That's the indicator. Indicator.
Oh, indicators. Okay.
And strategies.
Yep. And then you go to sessions, yeah?
Yeah, sessions on chart, and then you will be able to see the color.
Right.
We are in a London, Sydney and Tokyo, overlap.
Cool.
Yeah, this is today's market. You can see started to buy. Sydney session bought a huge spike down, and now we are in the almost in ranging market. Hasn't made a kind of significant move, but still, a good thing is it still can make money whenever market doesn't have that huge momentum, because gold is something moves crazy. But for the beginners, I don't want them to trade gold as a beginner trader, because I think the psychology behind that is it moves really fast. It moves really fast. Yeah, this was today's session. Yeah, this was today's session. From here, this was, from here, I'll quickly show you. This was our Sydney session. Sydney session, this is all Sydney session. This is all Sydney session.
Yeah.
This is from here to here, Sydney session. Okay, 10 o'clock. And now from 10 o'clock to now, and it will go until 5 o'clock our time. Tokyo session. This is Tokyo session. Tokyo session, Sydney session, and this red was all, of course, you can see it's from here to here. This is all London and New York overlap. New York started from here. New York started from here. I think 11:30. Yes, 10:30. Yeah, 10:30. New York started from here. This was New York. This work from New York started from here, and this is all New York session. This is all New York session. That was last week Friday. So this green one, you can see that is the London session.
Really?
Yeah. Does that make sense? Yes.
So
Yes.
really, you should get like yes, but I'm just thinking you should get like the biggest activity when London and New York are open together, because that seems to be some of the greatest trading at that time.
Yes. Yes.
So when they're both open at the same time.
True.
Yeah, okay.
Very true.
All right.
Very true. Very true. Very true. All right. This was look. Now you know that every single candlesticks. They have some kind of psychology behind this, you know, and market really makes some kind of higher highs and higher lows, and understanding when to get into the market is the biggest key here. Till now, you have learned number one, what this candlesticks means, and then what are the market structure. Of course, there is a structure, but I haven't gone through the structure yet because there is supply and demand, and there is some fair value gap in market. So market will always come down to fill that gap. Remember that if there is a gap in between the buyers and seller, you know, the mutual understanding, there is some kind of there is a gap in between. I'll show you probably in the same market. I can show maybe even in a 5-minute chart. Why not? Fair value gap is something you maybe it's too much for you. I don't want you to go in today's session, but once you see this gap in between, like for example, this gap, you can see there is a gap. Market has to come, but it doesn't happen all the time. Market has to come down, fill that gap, and go up again. Means that's what market is waiting for. Yeah, there is a gap.
People have bought in that range and they're going to have to sell at some stage.
Yeah, so it's like it's buying and selling because it has to come down, fill that gap. And if you see in a higher time frame, there is a huge gap in between. Oh my God, there are so many gaps in between. There are so many gaps. Especially gaps are. I'll quickly delete this session here. I don't need
That's going to be one of the things that makes gold so volatile is all those damn gaps, is they've got to keep coming back to cover.
Yeah. So that's very true. That's why it come down again and go back to up, come down again. But hasn't
so when we see that massive fall, like right there, sorry, you can't see my cursor.
This one.
Now, is that going to cut? Will that cover all of those other gaps before? Like that massive sell-off there is going to cover a whole lot of previous gaps.
Look.
So does that sort of wipe out those gaps?
Technically, it has to come down more. Technically, okay. it has to, because there is a huge gap in between here in 1800 somewhere here. Those gaps, but gold seems to be buying and buying. I think end of this probably week, it may reach to 25 plus. That's the anticipation. So that's why keep an eye on gold. Do trade that the way I did show you before, like just trade never enter the market whenever there is a not really good decision happening. Always take a trade in a lower time frame so that you know what is happening right now, because we want to focus on right now, not after 1 hour, not after 2 hours. Go and check your 1-minute candlestick as well. Now, every time when you see this happening, okay, this is what I see or how I see the chart. It's kind of I'm in tune with the market. In tune, in tune means I know what kind of movement it is going to do. I definitely know what it is going to do. So it went to 64 crossed, of course, 64, almost 80. Then it came down. To make another big push, market has to come down to fill this gap. There is a gap again. See, I'll show you what is the gap. So even in a 1-minute time frame, there is a gap in between. See, this is a gap, so it has to come. So what you might be able to see, probably, I don't know if you can see
1 minute. Holy cow. Of course, yeah. Wow.
It has to come down. And if you see technically, if you see this one, so it is also kind of the gap is made exactly at the support or resistance level. Kind of, it is somehow like a smart money concept, whatever that the banks are making. Banks do have some kind of strategy that they follow. That is, market has to make that move, because we are only the retail trader. We are only the retail trader. We do not have that potential to move one candle away. So
that level, I was going to say that level where it's resistance. It becomes a support when they're selling.
True.
Is that okay? Good. Yeah. All right.
True. Yeah. It has to come, fill this gap, and sometimes it will not fill the gap. It will just touch this gap area and go up. So this is not in our hand, right? It is not in our hand. So if from there, I don't see any kind of gap. Okay, from here, let me quickly see 1 and 2. There is another gap. That's why it came down. It came down. There is another gap here. So, I mean, look, when you keep watching it, I will go, because I haven't taught that hard to you. There is a huge presentation that I will show you. That's probably, yeah, that video, that session will be more in very advanced session for you, very advanced session for you. That's why I'm waiting until you start to make some mistakes in the market.
Thought I haven't had enough already.
Yeah, do some, like, make some mistakes. Come on, it's okay to do some mistakes. That's how you learn. That's how you learn. And once you start to know and understand that, okay, market doesn't only sell, market doesn't only buy, it does both at the same time.
Yeah.
If you are a smart trader, if you are if you really want to make money, not only money and your living and your fortune from market, you have to keep an eye on price. That's it. So you need to understand beforehand, okay, 15-minute chart, what are you going to do today? What position are you going to look at? Is it like, you have to understand, if it market doesn't break this, like 26, 30, 23, 36 was the deep down, it melted down on Friday. From 36, whoever bought it, oh my God, they made money. I think I have seen a couple of people, they made money from my group as well, other people. And now market came down again, because that was it created some kind of, here you can see, this is always, whenever I see this kind of move, this is my signature, style. I would say it's my style. Whenever you see this has to come down for a little while, and it did came down. This big push down again made a significant gap here. I mean, it's not the gap, but you can see whenever there is a wick behind, so it made a kind of support here, this now market has to, if it will buy, it has to break this line and go up. And if it has to sell, it has to go, but, good thing is, then good thing is, market doesn't have to buy and sell that significant level. No, you can sell from here. See how many pips you made. I did sell from here, 130 pips within 1 hour. And another buy from here, because that's the line, I mean, this may not be the right way to trade for a few people who are new, but whenever you're trading in the ranging market, it's even easier. Seriously, I feel like, oh, okay, let's do, but that's risky. It may break through, come down. It may break through, go up as well. But taking a small pip, 20 pips in one go, 30 seconds, that's how the scalper do, that's how the scalper do. So do that. Look, tomorrow's session will be very interesting for you, because I will quickly show you what exactly this market, how this market moves. There's a huge psychology behind everything what's happening right now. And I would recommend you to use this. I know EMA. I think EMA is still okay to use it. It's not. There is no 100%. That accuracy in any kind of indicator. There is no accuracy, no 100%, nothing. Maybe it will 70%, yes, but EMA I trust a little bit, because it is showing you kind of market move. Wherever market is going, EMA will point it out. Like it is pointing, it's going upward, of course 20, and this is 200. But for 200, yes, every time the 200 hit here, see that this one, it came down. Now it's doing the same thing, came down. We'll see what market will do, because market, yes, is in ranging no more here, right?
And you can see that the blue EMA, that's your 20.
Yeah.
Right. And you can see how the 20 and the 200 are starting to come together.
Yes, that's
together, everything else is squeezing up. So it's waiting. It's either going to hit and bounce down, or it's going to hit and close.
Yes.
Right now, it's just paralleling. Yeah.
That's like, your 200 EMA is kind of a mother, mother, I would say. So mother is where, if mother is upward in the market, so market tends to, because this is touching the resistance, and this is resistant, market is coming down. But whenever you see the higher time frame, look, always have to see the higher time frame. Whenever you are seeing the higher time frame, whoa, look at the higher time frame. It is going upward. There is no doubt about it. That's why if you're a scalper, you can still look at the smaller time frame, And because a smaller time frame means it will show you a small time frame, analysis, very small time frame. But if you are watching the higher time frame, even for our daily, then you'll be able to see, oh, what is happening in the market, exactly what is happening. So market did cross here. Look at that. When was it? It was 1905 crossover that came downward. After that line, the market, this 220 EMA hasn't come to hug each other. No, means potentially market is going to go higher again, but it may come down. There is no undeniable, like we can't deny that it cannot come down even to 2292. No, it may come, but we will have to keep an
But
eye
right
on
now, the 200 is sort of following as well. So it's climbing as well.
it.
So
Is
they're both
buying. Yes. That's why it is
still
buying
a
it.
positive upward move. Yeah.
Yeah, but when you can see like these indicators are not 100%, but you can take as an example that to guide you through. Now, to guide you through, like first thing first, you need to understand the price action, which is market has to make some kind of momentum in the market, right? For now, we are okay. I will delete everything. So you can use Fibonacci. Look, I will quickly share with you, because if you think market is going higher, in this case, look, the Fibonacci retracement is something. Suppose you can take this point or this point, it's up to you. I'll just take this one. This is Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay. So it came 100%. See, 23, 23, 30. It came almost close, so you can say 99% retracement. But whenever market is doing this kind of move, even in a 30-minute chart, market is no longer, look, that's why you have to still keep an eye on selling part, because market has made the significant move. Maybe this is a retracement for the sell. It may come down again. That's why it's kind of 50-50. There is no 100%, 50-50, right? So making sense. I will quickly,
But gold, I was looking at all of them, and gold, I looked, it was going up. So I went back as far as I could. It's been going up for the last 5 years. So yeah. I mean, it's not like the retracement can really find, any great lows. I mean, is gold one of those things that will go back a month or 2 months and retrace that far back?
Look, no. Look, what happened was, if you go to the monthly chart, I will quickly show you. Yeah, this is somehow, when you go to the monthly chart, gold started from very little. See, oh my God, you can see, oh my God, look at the price. It was, where was it? Oh my God, $36. 36 immediately went up. It went to 868. So this is how you can see the data, analyze. And, I'm still putting this EMA so that to guide you through. But for current timing, so this is the data we are looking at from 2011, till 2024 right now. So when you see this kind of move, so this huge move, monthly chart itself is showing that it will definitely, it is continue to buy. It is continue to buy. So here, this one is another pattern. If you know, it's a cup and handle pattern. Whenever you see this, a cup and handle pattern, so market has to move. And
what happened? Sorry.
It's a cup and handle pattern. It's a kind of but look, this is just a market geometry. I think I have shared in one of the psychology. I'll show you something. Okay, I'll show you. We have less time today, and then I have to go. Sorry, this one is. Okay, I'll quickly show you.
Time already.
Yeah, school holidays, and tomorrow also. I was trying to make, I think, make it short session, but every time I start to talk about this market, I don't stop. I don't know why. But okay.
Passionate about it.
Cup and handle. Probably I will share in the tomorrow session. That's okay. That's the pattern. I can't find the documents right now. So look, having said that, you can see this was another kind of, came down, same resistance. people were waiting to 19.8. That was the higher high on 2011, and market came down to like a 1046 by the end of, yeah, it was, I think, by the end of 2016, and again 2016 all the way 2018. After 2018, it hasn't stopped to buy. Yeah, so it will buy, but before it buys, it will make some kind of huge move, huge move towards upward as well. So for now, it's just hovering around in 2360. We have no idea what it will do. That's what I said, like always make a significant imaginary line in the chart that some course, because this is, look, market is all about, it can do whatever it wants, but you have to imagine what may happen based on your analysis, based on your analysis. For example, so here, this is today's move. 1 hour chart came down, and now look, many people, they have already sold from here because thinking that it has sold at this much, it was a retracement, and now market is kind of making a trap to many people. Trap, it's a trap. Come on, it is a trap.
Yeah, yeah.
It is a trap. So that's why, like, always have a look these lines, these lines, like say these lines here, these lines,
Yeah.
and these lines,
Yeah.
Why market didn't go below this line? There is a reason behind everything. Everything market does has some kind of significant, kind of psychology. So for here, always having that number in your mind, okay, like, okay, this is the level that I will have to look at. If it cross below, it will sell. If it break through above, it will buy. So always have a look beforehand so that you are not like buying and selling, like, making a like gambling decision. Yeah. For now, as I said, look, I draw the line just to show you that this line was drawn from here, here. From here, market sold off, didn't go up, and market, definitely this was a huge move here. And after this huge move, we have to be careful to, just have a look what market, because there must be a follow through. But now it's Sydney and Tokyo session, market hasn't made a decision yet. So today's session, when market will just do nothing like this, look, it is making a huge significant move in the news, because tonight there is a news, huge news. Yeah. All right. So just, yeah, happy trading, Dren.
Well, also,
yes.
I was going to say, you wonder if a lot of that ranging through there
Yes.
is the hedge fund, huge amount of hedge funds in there trying to prevent losses and too much loss, too much gain. Because hedge funds want to stay in that middle. That's why they do that.
Of course, they have like, yes, that you can say these are the people that who are controlling the, of course, the big, huge managers. Yes, yeah, very, very true. I agree with you as well. But for now, let's see what market will do in a couple of minutes. Whenever you can see this kind of the gap, not the gap, but the bar, I would say, like, let's say like a rejection. It's a multiple rejection. Market is not going up. Okay, may come down a little bit. You can sell. Look, literally what I'll say is, even in a smaller time frame, sell from, of course, sell from high and buy from low, you still can make money. You don't have to know so many things, what's happening in the market right now. All you have to do is focus and watch the chart and be very precisely, now you can see a kind of, it's going downward. It may go upward again from here, literally from here. Again, it can go from here. Means that you have to know, if it comes to this level, I may buy. But it's sometime what will happen is the sad part is, that's why we don't take risks. So if the market is going to sell significantly, it will make some kind of move like this, like this, and boom, it will come down, and we don't have time to put a stop loss as well. Yes. And if some market is going to buy, what it will do is, okay, it will come down like this, okay, significant, and then boom, like say, you have no time to even put. That's why do not take a trade from here to buy. Make a decision from, if you know market will buy from here, maybe buy from here, okay. If you want to sell from here, not from here. So if you have sold from here, you went in a huge loss. Market has already sold this much off. Don't
So
want
it's
to.
been straight. Oh, right. Back. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so okay, then today's session is only in a live chart, live market, because gold seems to be moving really fast, and just wanted to show you. Yeah, even I think you got some idea that I made some money, right? You saw in front of you
Yeah.
how much money I made. I will quickly show you again. Okay, I'll check. Not much, it's still a small peep. I think we didn't stay in the market for too long, but it was, I think within 5 minutes, I made a $313 in front of you.
Yeah. No, I saw that. That's great.
One of the two trades I took, I closed in too early. That is most of the traders' problem. So if you trust your analysis, I think it's better to wait the market to do that, make the move. But so when you are like gambling, I think it will happen. When you're gambling, you don't know where the market will go, and you will close in loss. You will close in too early, because you need to have that mindset that, okay, I know it's going to sell, or I know it's going to buy. I will rather wait to make that move, because before it sell or before it buys, it will have to come down. Before it buy, it will have to sell. Before it has to buy, it will have to, vice versa. You know what I mean?
Mm.
All right, then I will send this. I will just close this recorded video. Stop it.